birds flying high.
Big understeer, bro. I cannot place the car. I cannot go into the corner.
Tired, but let's go.
Before the paid practice session, the crew did the routine checks and found that the gearbox had metal shavings in it. We had to take it out, replace it with another gearbox. We also found that the clutch overheated, so we had to change the clutch as well.
And I'm feeling good.
Second session, it was fantastic for my stint. But after I came back and Sangho got back in, and the drive shaft broke.
어제 연습을 못 해가지고요. 뒤에 드라이브 샤프트가 부러지는 바람에 연습을 하나도 못해서 오늘 좀 걱정입니다. 어떻게 할지 지금. 일단 날씨가 좋으니까 한번 열심히 한번 해보고 베스트 랩을 뽑아봐야죠.
Fish in the sea.
We're gonna get some advice from pro driver, leader, my teammate, to see how we can handle the wet.
The mainly, I think, you have to warm up the car very well the first few laps, and also you have to find where's the grip, where's the brake point.
Yeah.
Just feel the car, feel the grip, build up the temperature. 個剎車
Yeah, brake.
要比較剎，跟住因為你要將嗰個 heat 從個剎車度到個 rims 嗰度。係啦。如果唔係冇溫度。係。跟住 brake bias 調喺後邊。係。
Okay, thank you. The behind one is the real one.
Hey guys, welcome back to the action here in the Lamborghini Super Trofeo Asia. It has been a fantastic season. We started at Sydney Motorsport Park in Australia, then to Shanghai in China, to Fuji Speedway in Japan, to Inja in Korea, and now we are in the bakery. It is a magnificent scene here at the Sepang International Circuit.
You good? Hot. Very fucking hot.
We come up to starters' orders here in Sepang, the final Asian weekend of Lamborghini Super Trofeo Asia. Let's race at Sepang! There is Superchai, who leads the way, of course, in Lamborghini Cup.
Today, no grip at all. No grip at all. Yeah, but good try. When we were gonna go, the car in front of me was a little bit slow. Immediately, once the race started, I become P3. I had to fight for P2 and then chase the front car.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna
And that is a very sick-sounding Hurricane. And there goes the win in Lamborghini Cup. Disaster for the Bandang by Racegraph Car. He's still going.
It's a sad day for us. After I took over from Sangho, we were in P1. I got out and the car, I felt like it doesn't have enough power. It's different. After a slow lap, I knew the engine was gone. There goes our P1.